Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make this cuff chain earring. If you don't have a cartilage pierce, this is what you can do. I've been wanting to have a cartilage pierce since forever and I haven't gotten it done, so this is my alternative. There will be two ways of making this cuff. You could either use this spiral or this actual cuff thing. What you need is this pen thing that has the circle, nose round pliers, a necklace chain that you do not want anymore, and then just an earring. It could be like this, or studs will do. And let's get started. So what you want to do, as you can see, it's loose because I already took them out. So what you want to do is unscrew this and just get the thickest one possible, and take scissors and just, this should be like cheap aluminum, so it'll be easy to cut, just like that. And this will be your cuff. And now taking the chain that you want. I got this at this cheap Asian store, and this necklace was 89 cents. All I needed was the chain. So what you want to do is measure how long you want this chain to be. So I think this is good enough. So what you want to do now is use the pliers and try to cut the chain. This part here is a something cutter, but yeah, that's how I used to cut this. What we need is this big ring, so use your pliers to take out this hook thingy. Once you get that, take the cuff that you cut out and just loop it through and close the circle thing as tight as you can. Let's say you did not have a pen that has this circle thing. You can also use this Julia wire, and what you do is bend it and then bend it again, and then bend it once more. So it's like an M. And then you cut this extra wire. And where it has the loop, you bend it a little closer to each other. So here's the loop. Bend it close. So right here, you do not want to poke your ears. So let's bend it out like that. And do the same thing on the other side. And this is what you get. So what I like to do is I use a pen, bend it towards the shape of the pen. So there you go. So you get your chain again, and then find an opening like right here and try to loop it all the way to the middle, like that. So just like this. And if you want it to be tighter, just squeeze it to your ear. Don't try to hurt your ear. And hook it into your ear. And that's another way of making the cuff on your